In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge boards on Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. First, you'll want to access your primary board. This is the board that you'll use as your main workspace, the one that will receive data from another board. To do this, simply log in to your Monday.com account and navigate to the specific board you've chosen to be your primary workspace. Once you're on your primary board, the next step is to add a new column. To do this, look for the plus icon, which is typically found on the top bar of your board's interface. Clicking this will allow you to add different types of columns to your board. Now, after you click the plus icon, you will need to find the Connect Boards column. If you don't see it in the initial list, don't worry. Just click on the option that says More Columns to expand your choices. Once the new menu appears, use the search bar in the column center to type Connect Boards. After you see the option pop up, simply select it. After you've selected the Connect Boards column, the next step is to add this new column to your current board. You can do this by clicking the button that allows you to include the new column. This will establish a new area in your board where you can connect to other boards. Now that your new column is in place, it's time to select the board you want to link. In the new column settings, look for the Select Boards option. Click on this and a list will appear. Browse through the available boards and choose the specific one that you wish to merge or connect with your primary board. An important part of this process is to enable a two-way connection. This ensures that any updates you make on one board will automatically be reflected on the other board. To do this, look for the option to create a two-way connection in the settings and make sure to select it. This will help keep both boards synced up effortlessly. After ensuring that the two-way connection is activated, you can finalize the connection by clicking the Connect Boards button. This step is crucial as it will officially link the two boards together. To test the merger and see the connection in action, click on an empty cell in your new Connect Boards column. This is where the magic starts to happen. You should now be able to select specific items from the connected board. Choose the relevant items that you want to display on your primary board. This feature allows you to pull in data seamlessly and ensures that your workflow remains organized. And there you have it. You have successfully merged boards on Monday.com. With your boards now connected, you'll find it much easier to manage tasks and track progress across different projects. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it enhances your productivity on Monday.com. If you did enjoy the video, please consider subscribing for more tips like this.